Hey you guys, welcome to the Blending with Henry show. My name is Henry. And I got more stuff for you while you're at home staying safe. So let's get started. Today we're making cashew milk in the Vitamix. And are you ready for this? Only 2 ingredients. Then I'll be introducing to you 2 new protein supplements from Blended Up. And we're going to make a chocolate cashew protein shake. It's going to be a full show. It still sometimes shocks me, you guys, how versatile nuts can be. Now, last time I made the mixed nut butter, and these cashews can be easily turned into milk. Now, it's important to pre-soak your raw cashews for at least 2 hours. Overnight is even better. To make the cashew milk, we're going to be using the Vitamix Ascent A3500 with a 48-ounce container. And as I mentioned earlier, there's only 2 ingredients. So the first ingredient is 1 cup of our soaked cashews. 3 cups of filtered water. Now I prefer filtered water because the cleaner the water, the better the taste. 1 cup of ice cubes. Now if your water is already ice cold, then add 1 more cup of water to substitute the ice cubes, as long as there's a total of 4 cups of water. Snapping my lid in place. And I'm going to go ahead and ramp it up to the highest speed. I'm going to blend for 1 minute. Alright, you guys, were actually done. Okay. It's that easy. Now, you know what's next, of course. I'm going to show you how it pours. Can you believe this, you guys? Water and cashews, and you have a dairy-free milk. Now, of course, you can add vanilla or a couple of dates before blending for more flavor, but it's very good by itself. And did you know this? Unlike almond milk, it required no straining. Oh yeah, of course. Who would turn down cookies and milk, right? I think they were made for each other. Okay? Now, during this challenging time, take your stress down a bit and treat yourself to a snack like this and a good book. Now you guys, I love iced coffee. Now I do drink it black, but adding cashew milk as the creamer takes it to a completely different level of delicious. Now it's so rich, and this is not slow motion, you guys. It's really how it looks. The cashew milk is so appropriate with hot coffee as well. And honestly, I challenge anyone to see if they can tell this is a dairy-free creamer. Now, it's indistinguishable. Once you try this in your hot coffee, you may not buy any more creamer from the store. Now, this is what I use to store my homemade milks in, a glass milk bottle. Now, they're perfect for keeping milk very cold and won't develop any odd smells like from plastic containers. Now, even better, they come with metal lids. Now, I highly recommend you guys to get a few of these. Give me a second. I'll be right back, you guys. Blend it up. Now, I love their products. They make some of the best protein supplements, and I use them for my pre and post workouts, and they're very easy on the stomach. The Clean Lean is a new protein powder, you guys. It is all-purpose and unflavored. It has 30 grams of protein, so it's ideal for high-intensity workouts or strength training. Now, it's low in calories and low sodium. This is my go-to protein. Now, the Protein Plus is a plant-based protein powder, and it's also new. Now, if you have more strict dietary needs, this is perfect. It's 100% vegan and soy-free. Now, it contains 20 grams of protein, and it's low on carbs. Now, during this time, many of us don't have access to a gym, so we're either working out at home or out walking, jogging, or running. Now, it's important to make a good quality protein shake. Now, don't worry about the disappearing shake. It symbolizes you burning calories after drinking this, okay? Okay, so I'm going to open up our cashew milk to make the chocolate cashew milk protein shake. So I'm going to pour it right into the 20-ounce blending cup. And I would suggest that you guys fill it up about 80% of the way to make room for more efficient blending. Then a healthy scoop, double entendre, of the blended up protein plus powder. And now the chocolate. Now this is a dairy-free premium chocolate sauce. And you can also use cocoa powder and your own sweetener if you prefer. Now making sure I get all that chocolate, it's the best part. Okay? Now I'm applying the blending base. And it's also important not to twist it too tight, you guys. And I'm going to choose the smoothie preset. And you can see it's a 38-second cycle. Alright, we're looking good, you guys. Now I'm pretty excited for this. It's my favorite. So I'm going to go and remove the blending base. This smells fantastic. Now I'm applying the to-go lid. Now I'm going to go and open the pour spout. Now to be honest, you guys, it's very tight. Okay, but it won't spill. Alright, okay. Now you can slip this through your belt loop or strap it onto your backpack and you're ready to go on your workout. Now you guys got a sneak peek of this before, in reverse. But I didn't explain how smooth this blend is. Now the cashew milk, the chocolate, the blended up protein plus powder blended very smooth and it's creamy. Now my recommendation for you guys is to place this in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. It's at its best when it's very cold. Well, it starts with this, fresh cashew milk made with 2 ingredients. You can do so much with it without spending much money. You've got to try it. Alright you guys, I've been having so much fun sharing time with you while we're all at home staying safe. Now if you need a Vitamix to make these delicious creations, check out my links below the video. See you soon.